What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Loopring, which has pumped up just about 14% in the last couple of hours, as you guys can see here, and currently trading at just below the 40 cents target. So we're going to be going through its next potential target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or should you just hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto potentially go? And looking at, is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about nearly 3% in value, and we can see here most cryptos are up right now, with Litecoin 10% up, Bitcoin 4%, nearly hitting $24,000, which we haven't seen in a couple of months. So yeah, 2023 so far has been great for the crypto market, and Loopring is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop just about 0.3%, which is nothing major, but the whole point is that over the last 24 hours, it has gained nearly 13%. Over the week 31%, and over the month a massive 112%. Guys, as you can see, for most of January it's been gaining value at a quite consistent pace, and yes, slow and steady increase, which is what we want to see. So yeah, so far it's been performing very well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 38% in the last 24 hours, making it $158 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Loopring. We're seeing a lot of buys right now, a lot of sellers, in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. So we are going to see more and more people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Loopring, which is here in purple at 30 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at nearly 40 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, as usual guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the only thing is that they are looking very steep, and whenever you see the MACD indicator heading upwards or downwards in a steep direction, that means it is not realistic, guys. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 5-6 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting from Loopring is for it to slowly start to drop back down in value over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, we should expect Loopring to have dropped down to around 37 cents in target. Again, in between that time, over the next couple of hours especially, it's likely to carry on pumping up to about 42-43 cents, and then once it's hit that mark, it's likely to start dropping in value down to about 37-38 cents, dropping down to that value by midday tomorrow. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again still looking very bullish, very steep, meaning once again it is not realistic. However, over the coming days I am expecting a slow and steady increase in value. So let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting Loopring to be heading towards around the 50 cents mark. And again guys, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. That's not the case. What I'm expecting is for it to take a little dip in between and then head back up in value towards the end of this week and early next week as well, bringing it up to about just about hitting 50 cents, or 48 to 50 cents target is what I'm expecting from Loopring by mid next week. Now Moving on to the daily chart, what can we see here? Again, as you can see, we're not looking steep at all, meaning it's much more realistic, but we still got the blue and the orange line both heading upwards towards the positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So late March to early April 2023, we should be aiming to hit around 80 to 85 cents in target. Again, yes, I know it may seem like it's a huge increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we do manage to keep a certain pace, as you can see, since the start of the year, it's been performing absolutely insane. As you can see, slow and steady increase with very minimal dips in between. So far, it's been performing very well. And if we can manage to maintain that for the next 6 to 8 weeks, we should definitely be able to hit around 80 to 85 cents by late March and early April as well, and heading towards the $1 mark by mid-May is what my expectations are from Loopring. But at the moment, do expect dips in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is all that matters. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we have made a massive improvement since the start of the year, going from all the way here up to about here, and right now we are getting closer and closer to hitting the resistance target here of the $1.03 target, which is here, which I'm expecting we should be able to hit by mid to late May 2023. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. This depends on any crashes, any major price pumps and price crashes that we go through, and anything like that will have a major impact not just on the value of Loopring but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that which I can predict, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far we are looking good for Loopring. I'm expecting us to head into the green zone by second half of the year, so we should be able to break out from this resistance target by mid-year and head into the green zone in the second half of the year. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Loopring, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys, keeping you guys updated about 3 to 4 times a week on Loopring. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick one on Loopring. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as at the end of the day it's free to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.